Finding resources and materials in SchoolNet. SchoolNet has thousands of resources and materials available to users in order to support them with common core state standards. Using formative assessments such as benchmark tests is one of the best ways to access these resources and materials in SchoolNet. Creating an item analysis report from benchmark tests is a good way to find relevant resources and materials, and you may already have item analysis reports available to you under your key reports on the SchoolNet homepage. Those with the role of leadership or access to aggregate level data should have reports for current benchmarks on their homepage under Key Reports section, including Reading and Math for grades 3 through 8 and Math 1, Biology, and English 2 for high schools. If you would like to search for materials or resources for a different test, item, or standard, you can create your own item analysis report. This can be done for a specific teacher, section, and/or test. For principals and those with leadership roles on the SchoolNet homepage, you will be able to choose the teacher and section for which you would like to review from the drop-down menu under My Classroom. Make sure to select the District and Local Tests tab. If you click on the Item Analysis link, you will be presented with the Item Analysis report. After choosing an Item Analysis report from the Key Reports menu or creating your own, you will be presented with the Item Analysis report. Each of the items on the report are live links that can be clicked on to be taken to each of the specific test questions and will allow you to find resources and materials related to that question. This is particularly helpful for finding resources and materials related to standards with which students have struggled or one you would like to investigate further. After clicking on the link, you will be presented with the question as well as the correct answer, the percentages for the answer selected, both correct and incorrect, and the associated standards. Clicking the yellow M button will direct you to materials and resources related to the associated standard. The highlighted row has the standard associated with the question selected. The columns to the right consist of resources and materials related to the standard, including curricula, instructional units, lesson plans, assessments, resources, and external resources. Clicking the numbers in each column will take you to the available materials. The first column shows available curricula materials. In this case, the NC-DPI 4th grade Mathematics Unpacked content is available. Clicking on the NC-DPI 4th grade Mathematics Unpacked content link will take you to the unpacked content for this particular standard, including an overview, scope and sequence, assessment and resources, standards, course mappings, and properties. The second column shows the documents available under instructional units. For this standard, there are units called Chocolate Bar Fractions, Farmer Fred, Fun with Fractions, and NC-DPI 4th grade lessons, Fractions. Clicking on the links will take you to the available units. When you choose an instructional unit, here, Chocolate Bar Fractions, there is a summary of the unit as well as a live link that will take the user to an external website where the entire unit is available for use. The third column shows the materials available under lesson plans. This standard includes chocolate fractions. Clicking on the link will take you to a summary of the lesson and the available actions. Here is one of the lesson plans available for this standard. The lesson can be saved, copied, or opened as a PDF. It can also be used to build an express test and can be scheduled for a later date. SchoolNet has also added a feature in which resources can be used to find related resources and rated in an effort to make finding material more relevant. The fourth column shows the resources available for assessments. If you pull up one of the assessments here, 4.NF.2 Task 2, you can click the link View Resource and it will take you to a link with many tasks related to the standard. Each of the tasks listed have live links that lead to tasks available to assess the related standard. The fifth column shows the results available under Resources. Each of these links directs you to resources within SchoolNet that are related to this standard, including videos, model drawings, and graphic organizers. The video link takes you to a summary of the resource and contains the link for the resource itself. The link leads to the Common Core State Standards video series, which includes audiovisual resources that focus on one or more specific standards through examples and illustrations geared to enhance understanding. The sixth column lists the resources available through external sites. If you click on the link to the external resource, here, MathStretch, it will take you to a page with a description of the resource. Click View Resource to be taken to the external site. Here's an example of an available resource